Hi, this is Marilyn Gowan, and I have just received my ViSalus Vi-Crunch. I'm opening it up. My UPS guy just brought it to me. So we're supposed to make a video of our very first bowl of Vi-Crunch. So, my fusions. I'm excited. My Vi-Crunch. Why it took you guys so long to get it here, I will never know. Why we couldn't just have it, a month ago. Anyway, I got it now, and I'm real happy about that. Very excited. So, I'm also very hungry. And I have to go somewhere really quick, so, okay. Can't get it open. I'll try this again. There we go. This stuff is so delicious. I only had one bowl of it at the conference, but 1 second, be right back. Gotta go get a bowl. And a spoon. And some milk. I should have got that before I turned this on, but whatever. Okay, yum. Look at that. Little almonds. So that should be about 1/3 of a cup, I guess. So good. Smells great. Cannot wait. Okay, let's see. At the conference, I had the berry thing. So I'm doing the fusions this time, the chocolate macadamia granola fusion, because I really want to taste that, and chocolate's like one of my favorite things, which I don't eat much of anymore since I'm on the challenge. I'll be right back with the milk. Ta-da, here's the milk. I use almond milk, silk. Kind of lactose intolerant, you know what I mean? So, here we go. We're gonna have to carry it with us as we depart, because I gotta be somewhere. So, hold on. Leaving the house. Oh, and I need to take the box. Darn it. I need to take the box to my son, because the other half of it belongs to him, and he's in the business too, John Gowan. And he is now a student at Georgia Southern University. So, gotta run and get the box real quick. I know, you just wanted me to taste it, right? But I really have to go, so sticking that in the box. Get the old purse with the driver's license. There we go. Nope, doggy has to stay. Bye, little doggy. That's Barkley. Oh, what a crazy video, okay? Isn't this nuts? Anyway, I'm so happy that we have our Vi-Crunch, and I gotta take it to a neighbor in just a little bit to share it with him, because he wouldn't buy it until I had some that he could try. So, and now it's kind of maybe getting a little soggy, so I better eat it quick. Anyway, my first bite in the car. It's gonna be so good. It's wonderful. You can't imagine. Wait, the little chocolate crunchy things. That's good cereal. And what's more, it's not just cereal. It's the shake and a flake. Who would have thought? Really good stuff. Thank you so much, Nick, Ryan, Blake. I appreciate everything you do. Love the products. Love the shakes. Love helping people. Thank you for this opportunity. Thank you for this wonderful, lovely cereal. See you. Bye.